the U.S. ambassador to India, and this is an important part of India. And so I'm here visiting for the first time. It is an incredibly beautiful place, and so I'm thrilled to be here, thrilled to see this place. We just had a very good meeting. And we have some follow-ups that we hope to take back to Washington, back to Delaware. But a very warm, very cordial, and we look forward to building this relationship forward.
It was as Ambassador has said, it was a very good meeting. We had an opportunity to discuss relations between our two countries, but with specific focus on what the US can do with Jammu and Kashmir. There are obviously certain legacy issues that over time we will be working to resolve, but we look forward to taking this conversation further. This is a conversation that will take place both between Ambassador Gore and Washington, and between me and the government of India in New Delhi. But we are very hopeful and optimistic that the engagement between the United States of America and Jammu and Kashmir will both widen and deepen in the years ahead.
Sir, is there any advisory?
The last thing I'll share with you is the United States puts out travel warnings, and every so often we reevaluate those travel warnings. I cannot make any big announcements here today, but it is something we're going to look at. New Delhi, the Chief Minister here, the government here, we believe have made some incredible steps to keeping this area safer and making it more safe. And so we will be looking at if the travel warning that is imposed, that is recommended by the United States, is something that should be downgraded, because as I said earlier, this is a beautiful area. I think a lot of Americans would enjoy coming here and seeing the beauty and the opportunities that exist here.